Hi, my name is Chirag Mahajan and welcome to my LifePage. Today I'll be talking about communications management, but first let me introduce myself. I grew up in Hyderabad, Telangana, and went to Vancouver, Canada to do my BA in English Literature and worked at a radio station for 3 years and did an audio engineering diploma and worked freelance in multimedia design, graphic design, sound design, web design. I came back to India 2 years ago to explore opportunities here and now work full-time as the communications manager for Waste Warriors. Every organization and a group of people who are working towards a cause or selling a product or trying to make a difference in today's world have to, at some point, talk about what they're doing to a wider audience. Communications management is about making sure your company or organization's vision and mission and objectives can be spread to the public as best as possible. In media studies, you will learn about how to effectively communicate your ideas on a variety of mediums. It's different for television, it's different for film, it's different for radio, it's different for social media. All these places have a different audience, and the way you tell your message is different for each media. When you're working to create content, you'll be drafting, you'll be editing, you'll be proofreading, you'll be paraphrasing. Lots of different things go into making content. It's really important for you to be able to take all the data that you have researched, that you've analyzed, that you've critically thought through, and then compile it in a way that people will understand. One of the things I'm very positive about while working at Waste Warriors is being able to use my communication skills to create awareness amongst the people when it comes to waste management, when it comes to making them aware about the different kinds of solutions that are available to the public. When you're working in an organization or a company in communications, it's really important to meet deadlines that the team has and your boss wants, so that even though you might have a certain degree of creative freedom, you have to stick to the targets and make sure whatever you're creating goes out on time. Otherwise, it might not be relevant anymore. Sometimes you might be in a situation where you have an event and lots of photos and videos were taken at that event. If you don't share that on Facebook or Instagram or on YouTube, after a point it might be too late to do that. So it's really important to keep deadlines for yourself and your team and set the expectations so that people know that when something is happening, whether it's an event or a festival or meetings, that content goes out to the public as fast as possible. I get to work around 9:30 in the morning and I leave at around 6:30. What happens in between is a mixture of scheduled meetings, but also ad hoc situations that come into place. Ad hoc means it happens in the moment and you just have to deal with it. I might have to have a quick team meeting to talk about an upcoming event. So it's very important while all this is happening to be able to organize your day and your tasks according to what is urgent and important, or things you can delegate to other people. So I usually keep a day planner and a to-do list ready for myself so that I don't forget things. I hope I've given you a balanced overview of communications management. Thank you.